If you've been using SketchUp for a while, you may have downloaded a lot of SketchUp components for furniture and other elements, and you want to be able to access these on the fly when you're inside of a new model. When you go to Components and click on the drop-down, in most cases, the favorites that you see are just pre-scripted ones that search the 3D warehouse. Well, what you can do instead of searching just one of these favorites by SketchUp, we can actually link a folder on our computer to reference to. To do that, you want to click on this details icon and you want to open a local collection. We're going to search for our SketchUp models folder, which is the last folder that we had, so it automatically directed to that folder. Most important here is you want to add this to your favorites. In doing so, it will save that location, and the next time you open SketchUp, your library will be searchable. Click Open, and notice now that we have all of the furniture that we've saved in the SketchUp Components folder. And like any model in the Components palette, all you have to do is click on it, and you can drop it in the model. Now, just to give you an idea of how a more detailed library looks, I have this SketchUp library here that I've already created as a link. And I've created a lot of different folders, one for example, 2D people, so that I can quickly just drop people in the model. I have one for playground, equipment. The folder structure can really depend on what your workflow is and of what type of models you typically create. But these are all saved on my computer, and I can easily access them anytime when I'm inside a SketchUp model. And the key to this is really keeping your folder structure clean, something of which I need to go back and do. But for the most part, this does the job. It's simply organized and has a lot of the elements that I need. Oh, that's a cool base. Let's go ahead and use that instead. Now you'll notice from time to time that the 3D Warehouse and Form Fonts and even Podium Browser, maybe none of them have the exact piece of furniture that you're looking for, and you need to actually create it yourself. In the next chapter, we're going to use a technique called Photo Match to actually photo texture a piece of furniture for the dining room.